Marrakesh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the house. If you are a OG subscriber, welcome back. If you're just passing by, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. And I have a whole lot of stuff going on here, oh my god. Also follow me on Instagram. All of my socials are going to be down on the description below. From now on, I'm going to leave some shout outs in the end of the video. So if you guys do comment on the videos, there's a high chance your name is going to be featured in the end of the video. Today, I want to do Boxycharm versus the Box Premium. Boxycharm and Box Premium. So let's see which one wins today. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. The regular Boxycharm is $25 a month, this one. And it has 5 full-size items. So let's see what do we get. Signature Brow, Kat Von D. Didn't Kat Von D sell her company? Are we trying to get rid of our old stuff? Wow, so this is a Kat Von D precision pencil and it's vegan. I'm very puzzled by this because I thought Kat Von D sold her company. It's a very thin little pencil. It's a brow pencil. It comes in one of those wasteful boxes as always. And it wasn't even on the big part. It was on the tiny little one and it came over here. But anyways, wasteful. We have the brow side. It's like blonde. Very thin. We got a spoolie. We will try this on and I will post on my Instagram my updates. But let's try a little bit. Ooh. No, this is harsh. Wow, this is really harsh. I really had to dig into my skin. I am not a huge fan so far because it really hurts to put it on my hand, but I am going to use it. I'm going to put on my to-go bag, so I'm going to use this on my travels and I will post on Instagram how things are going with this. And this is on the color taupe. Anyway, it's like a blondish color. Hopefully it doesn't hurt me too much. Next up we have Ultra Cream Lipstick by Appeal. So, oh, okay, it's so cool. And here's the color. It's like a nude color, which is perfect to take to work. All right. I never heard of this company. If you guys have ever heard of Appeal, let me know. Both these guys are going to my travel bag and I will keep you guys posted. Next up we have Becca Lip Pencil. Again, what is up with these boxes? Can anybody tell me? Do we need this? Oh, at least the pencil didn't come already wrapped in plastic. This thing has... What is happening here? This is a lip definer. This side, we have the lip pencil. And then on the other side, what is this? What is this, you guys? Do you guys know what this is? Yes, this is going to my to-go bag as well. Since I'm going away for work, I am going to be using this stuff. Murad Hydration, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. I love eye stuff. This is a eye cream. I am probably not going to take this with me, so this is going to take a little while for I to let you guys know how I feel about it, but I will use it. Last but not least, and this is very exciting, I heard that Boxycharm has a palette, and here it is. And it says, hello charmer. It is cruelty-free. They have pressed glitters, pressed matte, shimmer colors. Here is the palette. It has a texture to it. Yummy. And here are the colors. Super fun colors. Boxycharmer full size exclusive spoiler. Luxe, and then down here Cup of Joe, Pop Up, Swipe Up, Premium, Sneak Peek, and Unboxing. Wow, this Swipe Up is looking fun. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's a pressed glitter. I probably cannot use these colors where I'm going to work, so stay tuned for my Instagram in a couple of months actually, because right now I won't be able to use this. I will make updates on them on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Let's go over the items that I got in this box. I didn't get the paper that it tells me the price of the items, so I'm at the website, so let's just add them up and see how much the box is worth. $25 subscription box, and all of the items in it, total value of $173. I'm sort of okay with this brow pencil, but it makes me wonder, is this old? Because Kat Von D have not been with the company for a while, and I noticed that they are trying to dump all of their Kat Von D stuff. All in all, $173, really okay. I'm very, very happy with the value of this box. Now let's go to the premium. I want to go to that premium box and see what's waiting for me in there. And here we are. For you guys that don't know what the premium is, as soon as you sign up for it, you will be on a wait list. It's 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, $35, and then free shipping, and then you get to choose one every month. However, I haven't chosen none this month because I've been away. I'm excited. It's my very first premium. Let's open this little boy. All right. Bam. Okay, I remember this. So yeah, I remember this was going to be the Fenty Beauty edition. Boxycharm X Fenty Beauty. I completely forgot about it. Thank you, Rihanna. Fenty by Rihanna, Match Stick, Shimmer Stick, Unicorn color. It's a purple. I am not going to swatch it because I feel like I'm not going to keep this. So this is going to go to a giveaway. Next up, Fenty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Diamond Milk. Alright, this is cute. Next up we have Invisimatte Blotting Paper. I think that everybody got the same box, it seems like. I am not oily. It has like a neat little mirror. Has a little papering behind here. I'm not gonna open this because this is probably gonna go to a giveaway as well. Freestyle highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. For sure going to a giveaway. There was a collection. A friend of mine got the collection, Trophy Wife collection. The color is just too yellow for me. It's a gold yellow. It's gorgeous, but I think that I am not a gold yellow girl. I don't know if you guys already know this, but I have a standing giveaway because I have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pre-made boxes here in my house that I want to send out. I haven't sent anything out yet because of the world climate at this moment. However, as soon as things are normal again, I already have 5 pre-made boxes that I want to send out to subscribers. So go down the description below, and it's pretty simple. It's just follow me here, ring the bell button, follow me on Instagram, comment anywhere on Instagram, comment in any video of my YouTube channel using the hashtag BuZgal, using the hashtag giveaway. I have way too much stuff. Next up, Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and it's on the shade Single.
All the single ladies.
Very classy packaging, really cute. I like this color. This palette, I am very excited about it. Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. Look how pretty this is. This packaging is ridiculous. This is gorgeous. Great size mirror. Again, we can see everything. Our colors. And this has lots of mattes. It has some metallics. It has some glitter in here. Then we have the names of the colors right in the back. Mirage, Casablanca, Desert Baked. Okay, we're going somewhere else, aren't we? Evil Genie. All right, we are going all over the place in these names. This is a beautiful palette. I'm excited about wearing it. I will wear it. Here are our items, right? These 3 guys right here are going to a giveaway. So let's go over the prices. This box worth $143 for $35. Funny enough, the regular box was worth a lot more than this one. I don't think I can use 3 of these items, are not something that are my cup of tea, but still these makeup products are not that cheap, so I'm kind of happy. I hope you guys like these boxes. Tell me which one won in your opinion. But for now, this is it on this box. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the box and what was your favorite item. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Ring that bell button so you can get notified every time I post. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. I will see you guys on the next upload. Bye. And I'm able to see all of my stuff in the house. Girl, that cream is $70? Holy moly. I would never pay $21 for Kat Von D. Oh yeah, the Fenty. The Shimmer Stick is $25. Which one is this one? Shimmer Stick. I think it's that. Because as soon as I can take stuff to the post office, that's what I'm gonna do. The Trophy Wife highlighter is $36, y'all. Marrakesh or Marrakesh. Saffron. So I will see you guys. I post every Sunday and Wednesday, and I would love to have you here at every upload. I am done with today's box.